Hi, hello guys. We're up here on the roof of the RV today, and our project right now is installing a mini starlink up here on the top because it makes sense. Better signal here than if it were on the side. As you can see here, I have some accessories with me, which would make it easier to dismount the Starlink from the RV and take with us or install anywhere we would need it to. I am planning to have it installed on the rails here. And I think I also have it with me. Just let me look for it. A showcase of some local pride, you could say. I have a mast here for the Philippine flag. We have to raise our flag. Pinoy pride. We're gonna install it just like this, and it'll be here at the back. I'm just waiting for the flag to arrive now, which is taking a while as I did order it off eBay. It's been 3 weeks, so it is taking its time. The purpose of the flag is to show how proud we are to be Filipino, our resilience, our fighting spirit, and to show others that we'll never forget where we came from. We're strong no matter what problems we face, and always face challenges with a smile and pride. So, we'll be raising this flag to show that we're Filipinos and that we won't back down. So we'll be driving around Canada with our flag raised high. And, now that I think about it, we might be the first to do something like this in the neighborhood. To travel like this for a business venture, which is exciting, no? We hope that you guys wish us luck for this new adventure we have. It won't be easy, even with all the preparation and planning. But with all the challenges that we have as Filipinos, all we have to do is to stand tall and be strong like Nara. We stand proud and unwavering. We weather the storm no matter how strong the winds may be, and just go with the flow of life, which is always going to be our mission here in Liwaliw Travels. So please do bear with us a bit longer. We're almost done with our setup here, just some minor touch-ups and projects. So again, do look forward to seeing the final product when we're done. So, again, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys later.